Okay, let's go.
Alrighty, yeah, it's been a while. Yeah,
It's been a couple of months.
welcome guys. Yeah, it's been a while, like we say. You guys haven't been seeing a lot of videos. We've been really busy, crazy, but some very exciting news that we want to share with everyone. Yeah, in the last 2 months or so, we haven't been doing anything, huh?
Anything except grinding.
Except working very hard. Yeah, so a lot of changes within the business. Myself and Carlos, we found the new premises that we were been looking for a while, and yeah, so the big news is out from the old shop into a new shop. Yeah, we're very excited because we can, with the new space, we can bring, much more options to you guys, better services, better offerings to you guys. Yeah, so a lot of changes within the business. I got G running around here. Yeah, so Carlos, what do you got to say to everyone out there?
Yeah, come check out our new shop. We made it nice and big so we can accommodate more work. All the work we used to turn away. Couldn't help the guys when they needed them because of space. So I think we've quadrupled our size.
Yeah,
in size.
definitely.
Floor space, Dyno in a nice section that doesn't occupy the entrance of the shop anymore. So big changes, yeah, beautiful. I'm so happy, I'm so glad. This is what I wanted. My legs are finished walking up and down,
So,
but yeah.
Carlos always wanted a bigger shop. So we've been here now 2 months. That's why you guys haven't been seeing a lot of videos on our socials and updates, because we've been really busy. Moving premises is no joke, trust me. Especially for a workshop, of this magnitude. Moving oils, moving the dyno and all the other equipment, and it's, moving it out, deinstalling, reinstalling, rebuilding, resetting up. The list goes on.
We've been plumbers, electricians, bricklayers.
all in one. And it's been challenging, but hey, we really enjoyed it as well.
Yeah.
To be honest, we haven't had a break in quite a while. We've just been grinding to make sure we get everything up and running so you guys can still receive the quality services that we bring to you. So yeah, it's a new change. It's a new beginning for us. If you haven't checked out some of our socials on Facebook and so on, we're not too far away from the old premises. Our new address is 709 Chris Hani Road. Our signage is very minimum at the moment outside. We're busy reconstructing that for us. So we share the same building with Ika. Ika is upstairs and we in the bottom floor. So easiest place to find it, we're next to Prima Force Exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people know Prima Force. We next door, the building, you'll see Ika has big signage here. We in the bottom. And Ika is upstairs, obviously. So yeah, we're excited. It's a new chapter for us. In between getting everything up and running, we've been working as well. We still got the bills to pay. and staff to look after, and obviously importantly your customers as well. From my side, and obviously Carlos, I just want to say thank you to all the customers that, for all their support over the years, for their continued support even during the move. People still supported us, the patience, even the guys that helped us, get the move done. There were so many people that was involved here.
All the minions.
It's hard to mention everybody's names, but yeah, from everyone that, partook in this change of ours, we're really thankful. From installing the lifts, the dyno, the tiling, the painting. We still haven't, it's not even done as yet, but yeah, we are gonna, so in this video, basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you what happened in the old shop from moving. We took some footage that we're gonna try and compile together and obviously show that to you guys. So make sure you watch the video. Yeah, it's something different. It's not dyno tuning for once or building an engine. It's moving premises and what went on. So if you're ever looking at moving premises, you'll see what really happens in there. But yeah, it'll be an enjoyable video. So yeah, make sure you watch it, check it out. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of tour. The shop is a little bit untidy. It's all upside down right now because we still trying to get shit done. It's so difficult. But day by day, we said we at least did one thing at a time, and yeah, it is getting done. Almost slowly but surely. So you can see we have improved as well. We bought ourselves some mics because some of the viewers out there, and thank you for that.
Yeah, sure.
Some of the videos, the audio wasn't too great, especially on the dyno with the fans being on and so on. So hopefully this does improve the audio quality. And here's some of Carlos's, every time he speaks, when he's in the car, he doesn't know we can't hear him outside, but I just say, yeah.
I'm gonna watch what I say.
You gotta watch what you say. Yeah, so we're excited, guys. We're gonna give you a little bit of a tour of the shop. As I said, it's a little bit messed up, but yeah, please come and visit us. You don't come in the clip, sir. Your viewers want to see you. Yeah, come and visit us. Come and check us out. Even if you're not bringing a car, come and visit. Say hi. We open. We always like to meet people and make new relationships. That's what we're about. We people's people. And yeah, we're excited. But yeah, let's take you guys through some of the what's happening inside here. So enjoy the video, guys, and thank you once again. But before we go, from you, sir.
Wait till we fully up and running and the dynos bookings start flowing through again. We've had the guys hanging for tuning and that. So yeah, can't wait to get it done, and well done to my partner here, man. Getting all this done, I would never been able to do any of this, man. All the organization, planning, pre-planning, and making shit happen. Well done, bro.
Thank you, Carlos. Carlos always, he always thanks me for everything, but the reality of it is, it's not just my effort, it's his effort as well. So thank you as well, Mr. Damata. I always treat him, he's my old man. Nags me a lot, fights with me all the time. But yeah, I think that's what makes a great team after all. Yeah, we make a super team. Yeah, trust me, guys, we get things done here. Hell or high water, things get done. Yeah. Carlos made me sick, I think. So yeah, we both a little bit under the weather, but yeah, we're still grinding. I know he's up and running. We are taking on cars for tuning, but it's very minimum at the moment because we got one last phase to go, just installing an instructor fan. But we are doing tuning, so you got to book with us, and then we'll tell you a time slot. Because the fumes in the shop, we don't want to affect the staff. So we will accommodate you guys, but yeah, just drop us a message, and we'll obviously get back to you guys. So yeah, thank you guys. Take care. Enjoy the video.